My name is Jake Mace. People call me the vegan athlete. I've been vegan for 17 years. I've dreamed my whole life of being a professional golfer. I've been playing golf since I was 3 years old.
Martial arts is in my blood. I've been practicing since I was 8 years old. My martial arts YouTube channel has about 1 million subscribers. I specialize in Chinese Kung Fu, Tai Chi, and Qigong. The inner and outer harmony that Kung Fu training gives you has led me to veganism and gardening. Growing your own food is the most powerful thing you can do. I've taught millions of people to garden in person and here at my Vegan Athlete YouTube channel. Every minute food gets more expensive. For God's sakes, grow a garden. All of you have watched here on YouTube as I transformed my third of an acre desert landscape in Phoenix, Arizona into a thriving food forest, home to over 250 fruit trees, 25 raised bed gardens, dozens and dozens of animals, countless native and edible bushes, cactus, herb, trees, flowers, and even a koi fish pond. Then, in 2017, I went through some significant life changes, and my time in my desert garden would be done. Life is filled with pleasure and pain, success and failure, light and dark. I was now living in an apartment, but still burning with the desire to grow myself off the food grid, but faced with an uncertain future. I returned to my roots. I stuck to my routine to re-establish my focus. The universe sent me a dream woman named Nicole. I revisited the place of my birth, British Columbia, and poured myself back into my Chinese martial arts training. This includes Tai Chi. Tai Chi practice is an amazing art form for gardeners, allowing us to connect with the nature that surrounds us. I returned to Arizona and the desert with new goals, new desires, new passion, and a new direction for where I want my life to go. I'm thankful to Arizona for bringing Nicole and I together. Arizona gave me its knowledge of hot, dry gardening, which I think overtrains you to be able to grow anywhere. I planted my final fruit tree and sold everything I owned, including my car. I spent my final days in Arizona building myself mentally, spiritually, and physically. My future will be a test. My future will be exciting. My future will not be alone, but will take everything I have in my gas tank. I know my training in the martial arts will pay off, not by allowing me to win fights, but rather allowing me to win at life. In gardening, there is one great teacher: nature. You must get out and experience nature if you are to garden successfully. She will teach you about balance. She will teach you about permaculture. She will teach you about the soil. She will speak to you if you are able to quiet your mind and listen. Nicole and I packed up a moving truck with any small items we wanted to keep but couldn't carry inside of a backpack. We had a going away party where we said goodbye to all our friends and family and just left. The first leg of our journey was saying goodbye to the best part of Arizona, the Grand Canyon. I especially love practicing my Tai Chi and Qigong in nature, and the Grand Canyon is such an incredible venue. We hiked halfway down, spent the night, and drove out of Arizona forever. During the drive, we found vegan food, and we made plenty of stops to stay awake, keep the body and the blood flowing. After San Francisco, we drove into Oregon, Nicole's home state. After meeting up with Nicole's sister and catching a much-needed morning workout in Portland, we drove into the northeastern part of Oregon through the Columbia River Gorge, which is one of the most beautiful areas in the USA. Alright, this is Multnomah Falls.
Yes.
And I like it. We visited and said our final goodbyes to Nicole's family, and we even got to meet up and celebrate Nicole's birthday with her best friend Summer and sister Shandy with vegan cupcakes. I did my final workout in America, packed up all my belongings into my Atlas and wandered packs, and before I knew it, we had a new life. Where am I? Where am I going? Who will I meet? What skills will I learn? What country should I live in? A couple things are for sure. I will not be alone. I will be outside my comfort zone. I will become a sponge which soaks in the language, the customs, and the skills of different people in different countries, and I will never be the same. Gardening is a universal language. Feeding yourself healthy, right food from living soil should be a universal goal of all people. People always ask me, Jake Mace, what's your religion? What's your spirituality? What do you believe in? Well, my religion is a balance of hard work and rest. My religion is fitness. My religion is growing the healthiest plant-based food possible for free at home. My name is Jake Mace. Some call me the vegan athlete. I'm on a journey. My eyes are open. I can see the light. I'm almost there. Will you join me?